Good morning to everyone, children. How are you? I hope everyone are fine. So today we will have a grammar class. We will discuss today about verbs. So before we have learnt about sentence, noun, adding of yes, es and all. Today we will learn a different topic, that is verbs. So what is verb? A verb is a word which shows action, which shows what the person is going to do or he is doing. It is also called as a doing word or an action word. Verb is a action word or doing word. What the person is doing. What am I doing? I am doing some action, right? I am not standing it quiet. What I am doing? I am explaining. You are what you are doing. You are listening. These are all the action words. A verb is a word which shows action, which shows what a person is doing. So as now, let us start the class with a beautiful rhyme over here. In your textbook you have to fill a rhyme which is given here, children. Okay children, today we will learn a small and beautiful rhyme which you have learnt already in your Montessori classes. So you have to fill here this rhyme also. Just listen the children. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curd and whey. Along came a big spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. So here you have to fill the dash, and whatever the dashes they have given, whatever which is in red color, sat, eating, came, sat, frightened, these are all the action words. These are all called the verbs. Here we are going to imagine what that Miss Muffet is a small girl. Okay, what she is doing? She is sitting on a tuffet. Sat is action. What she is doing? She is eating curd. What is the action? Eating. Along came a spider. What the spider is doing? He is coming. Who sat down beside her? What did the spider do? He sat beside the little girl and frightened Miss Muffet. What did the spider do? He frightened, he scared Miss Muffet. These are all the action words. Words that talk about some action are known as verbs. They tell us what someone or something is doing. So here, laughing, crying, these are all the action words. You can go through few action verbs over here. Run, clean, dance, walk, cry, crawl, fight, laugh, ride, listen, read, write, think, cook, climb, drink. These are all the action words. It shows what the person is doing. So you can see in your textbook also, swim, laugh, eat, play. These are all the action verbs which tells us what a particular person is doing is called a verb. So now here in your textbook few sentences has been given where you have to just underline the verbs, where you have to read the sentence and think which is a action word and you have to underline it. See here, example has been given. The children play in the park. What are the children doing? We want the information. So what they are doing? Play. Here play is a action. So we are going to underline it. It is a verb. Underline. Next, second, Meeta writes a letter to her aunt, which is action word, children, over there. It is writes. W-R-I-T-E-S. Writes is a action because that girl is writing. So underline writes. Piyush walks to the school with his friends. So walks. What is Piyush doing? He is walking. So underline walks. Next, Ravi watches television all the time. See here, Ravi all the time, television. These are not showing any kind of action. Is Ravi action? It is a name. Television also, it is a name of a thing. So here, what is the action? Watching. He is watching is a action. So we underline watch as a verb. My mother tells me stories at bedtime. Here, tells is a verb. Underline tells. Mother, story, bedtime, these are all not a verb. So please understand that verb is a word which shows action. Here we have to underline the action words. My mother tells me stories at bedtime. Underline tells. Nidhi eats an egg every day. So Nidhi, egg is a name of a, Nidhi is person, egg is a name of a thing or your food. Every day is the name of a day. So here eats is a action. Underline. Mamta sings a beautiful song, which is action. Sings. The apple fell from the tree. Falling is action. So write, underline fell. Leela gathers flower for her grandmother. Grandmother, Leela, flower, these are all the names. Okay, flower is a name, Leela is a name, grandmother is a name. So gathers, she is collecting the flowers. Leela is collecting the flowers. So gathering, gathers is a verb. Underline. The boys ran down the hill. The boys ran down the hill. Here ran is a verb. Underline. Next you have sentence where here also you have to underline the action words. Remember, a verb is an action word, so underline all the words that talk about some action. Jack looked out of his window. Take one small sentence, read out, then think, then underline, children. First listen the video, then do it by yourself in your textbook. Jack looked out of his window. So see, what is the action? Think it. Looked. So looked is the action. Underline. He saw a huge bean stalk. He saw a huge bean stalk. So he's seeing. What he was? He saw. That is action verb. Underline saw. He yielded in surprise. He was in surprise. Yield is in a action verb. He was very much surprised. The beans that he thrived the previous day were now a big plant. See, in this whole sentence, the bean that he thrived the previous day were now a big plant. Only one is a action, throwing. Only one word is a action. Beans, a word of a eatable food. Previous day, last day. Big plant is a name of a plant. So here thrive is a action. So underline thrive. He ran outside and stared upwards. See, in this sentence we have two verb. He ran. Running was a action. Stared means looking very carefully. Stared means looking very carefully. It is underlined. He couldn't see the top of the beanstalk. He couldn't see the top of the beanstalk. Here seeing. Seeing is an action. It seemed to go into the clouds. He began climbing. Climbing is an action. The tree. He climbed higher and higher till he reached the clouds. Reached, climbed is an action word. Underline, children. Next, you have, now they have given a help box where they have given an option. You have to select the proper action word related to that sentence and you have to fill it. The squirrels dash their nuts in the tree. What do the squirrel do when they get a nut? Immediately what they do? They take the nut and they hide in their tree. They keep it in the tree where that it should not be seen to anyone. Hide means nobody should see. They keep in their tree to eat in for the next day. Write down HID, hide. Namit dash a grizzly bear at the zoo. Namit, what did he do? He went to the zoo. He saw a very scary bear. Write down saw. Mother dash me a slice of apple pie. Mother gave me a slice of apple pie. Tanya dash a lovely picture. Painted. These are all the action words. The baby dash loudly. Cried loudly. My dog dash at the visitor. My dog barked. Here help box is given. You have to select, then you have to write it in your textbook. The boat dash on the water. The boat floated. It was moving on the water. Nina dashed the kitten on the road. Nina found a kitten on the road. Write down found. Bobo the doorbell. Bobo rang. See, it is ringing. The doorbell is ringing. It is also a action. The birds dashed seeds out the bird feeder. The birds ate the seeds out of the bird feeder. So here today we have learned about some action words. In our next class we will learn about adding of am, is and are, which is a good topic where we will understand the formation of sentence in a proper way. Now you have to complete this textbook by seeing this video now itself. You should not delay it. Okay, hope everyone will listen to me and do the work what I have informed you. Okay children, thank you, take care, bye.